Hello everyone. This is a beautiful used 2015 Ultra Limited. This bike has under 12,000 miles. It has custom Vance and Hines pipes. This bike came after the Rushmore update. So it has the minimized head buffeting fairing vent. It has the 103 cubic inch motor twin cam with liquid cooled head, so it runs not as hot. This bike is meant to be ridden on long rides. This bike is like a couch. It has the full infotainment system with GPS. This bike has heated hand grips. The price tag is only $16,888 for this fully loaded touring bike. It has radio for the rider and the passenger. This bike is for sale at North County Indian in San Marcos.